You can download our free patterns at mabelthefashionmuse.com. You're going to first cut out your fabric, cut out your lining and yourself, and we are going to tie-dye the self part of the fabric. And then you're going to sew up your center seam so you have a finished face mask. Next, you're going to take your mask and you're going to rubber band it in a spiral shape and get it prepared for dyeing. Now you're ready to tie-dye your bundles, and using whatever color combinations you'd like, just color the areas that are not rubber band and the front and back side of the bundles. Next, you're going to wrap your little bundles in saran wrap and let them cure for 24 hours. Next, it's time to rinse. Make sure you thoroughly rinse out your bundles, take all the rubber bands out, and try to get excess dye taken out with hot water. Next, you're going to want to wash them in hot water in a washing machine and dry them under high heat, and then you'll press them before assembling your mass. After sewing, apply your elastic, and voila, you have an array of colors to choose from.